steu a bhína páir is go a sodh a chulclaníon san art school, bhaid darmh a Becky Galbraith corman a lorag, some cumul or a clúich a steu in school agal.
No, honestly there wasn't. Not the time when I was going through primary school and high school. Like I said, it was kind of girls and women's teams were few and far between. Like I remember like having to play for a boys team for a long time, and there wasn't even sometimes changing facilities for girls because just girls football just wasn't a thing. Sometimes we had to go and get changed in like the gym hall and stuff because there wasn't a changing room for us. So yeah, it was never, when I was younger, there was never a thought of, oh, this could be a career.
St Howdo, chuid Becky a henamrí cúnant lé professionta sanna chiad uad ag Spartans. Charoi riamh an dúr gon bí seo cumasach san riach ba cosha eiche.
It was an honour, to be honest with you. You know, for me, I'm a lot older, so to sign a contract of any means at the tender age of 32 is quite nice, because you know, when I was younger, I've never even dreamed the thought of being professional in any manner. But yeah, it was a really nice feeling to be part of the club's history, and be part of history in the women's game in Scotland in general. Has it added a bit more pressure? Probably not, no. Still go out there and give 110%, because from our point of view, we don't play football for money. Like, we women and girls, we play football for the love of the game, more so now. And it's great that there is opportunity to have it as a career in Scotland and not have to go further afield like out with. But football's never been about money, but it is, yeah, it's an absolute honour to, it's the part of history that's the most important for me. So like I said, I've mentioned the word money, but it's not about money. You know, it's moving in the right direction. That's what these contracts are about. So, and it's to show that the game is developing, to show that Spartans are really, really focusing on the women's side, and it's really important to them, and to also, in years to come, to create a pathway where girls can go to the club and actually have a career and have that support as well.
A príomh coach of Spartans, Debbie McCulloch Jin Biach, go Galbraith na star clúigetar scas go luas a haid, go látar sa haid in na loch Gian skipian ille a farc. Ach, they hannog na boranig ille a skippe nu Jane.
They call me Moni, right? Yeah, I'm quite a vocal player. It might come across as moaning, but I'm really competitive. And you know, you want to support your teammates, and you want to do absolutely everything you can in training sessions and every game to be the best version of you, to be a good example. You know, I am one of the senior players, so I do try and support not only the younger players, but the other senior players as well, you know. Yeah, I like to try and support as much as I can.
Ha Becky Jin Biach go barach Riheen vo Spartans. Siet them do barach gemmen in a vonachachs in league. A ha le co artificial in Lianissa.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we've went from, obviously, the effects of COVID. We went from playing, I don't even know what it was, because it kind of like all merged together. You know, we played a certain amount of games in such a short period. I think it was 14 games in 8 weeks or something. So we went from that to adapting very, very quickly to that, to then going back into a full league where it's one game a week. Obviously there's times when there's two, but yeah, there's definitely more to come. You know, we're still adapting. We've brought in some new players as well who have fitted in really well. They're still adapting to the way that we play and the style that we play. And you know, for me, I set myself goals every week. My main one is to score goals. I guess that's my main job. But you know, it's all about the team's objectives. That's the most important thing. Like, you have your own wee goals that you set yourself for the whole season, or maybe every week, you know, short-term, long-term goals. But the most important thing for every training session, every game, is what's the team's objectives, and how can I contribute to that.
Ha gael breith y doi glan, lech o sarfachol sa ha bal cosiwn yn ban fas am y malabydd. Ha y cytsin gyda y lwyd gemma ahead a chrwylwg television yn ish, could you part in over on show?
Yeah, it's excellent. It's exposure, and that's what it's about. We're still in the early stages of making the women's game more professional, and that plays a big part in it. Being on telly and social media as much as you possibly can, and I've got friends and family members who are now watching the games every week and watching the highlights on a Monday as well, and people following more on social media. So yeah, it's still in the early stages, but yeah, it's great. It creates a more professional environment, and also as well, it's that exposure for the younger players coming through to get them used to being more exposed to television and social media.